Pampanga, my home place, my hometown. I think magkikita kami this week. Yeah. Kasi big night, 'di ba? So magkikita kami.
Of a shell, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life are all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, as I've gone beyond existing. Let it all began when I met you.
Ang course ko po is marketing management. Shoutout po sa mga taga Lubao, Pampanga, na babasa ko yung mga comments nyo. Sa mga taong kailangan ng pahinga, kasi syempre ako tulad ko, yung mga ginagawa ang lahat para maging productive ang araw, ang linggo, or ang buwan, or ang taon, di ba? Parang minsan kailangan din natin ng pahinga. Find time to rest para sa more quality of life. Mga workaholic dyan, wala namang masama doon, but isingit natin ang pahinga. Part of the process yun. Sabi nga ni Big Brother sa akin, keep on trusting the process. So ibibigay ko rin sa inyo yung payo niya sa akin, keep on trusting the process. Malamang pasado na ba sa inyo yung malamang na yun? Malamang! I miss you all, guys. Sa mga nag-I miss you sa akin. From Canada. Wow! Hello. How are you? Wow, thank you. Kasi paparating na yung mga tropa. I just want and ni-remind ko lang na it's okay to take a rest from everything. Trust the process. And ayun, happy tayo guys ha. Good vibes, recharge, and keep on working hard. I love you all guys. Bye bye.